Hi everyone, today we are installing this toilet seat. Now inside the package you will find two screws. So your first step will be removing your old toilet seat, and please do not forget to clean this area very well. The next step will be opening the hinges on your new toilet and placing them on the toilet bowl. Finally, add the screws and make it very tight. By the way, you can use a screwdriver to tighten it a little bit more. And pretty much that's it. Now, if you're wondering the quality, let me tell you that it is very thin and made of plastic. So in our case, we need this one in particular because my 4-year-old keeps peeing all over the place. So we noticed that with the other brand that we used to have, which was more expensive, if we didn't clean the pee kind of right away, it will stain. And for that reason, we get this one that it's, to be honest, easier to clean. As I mentioned, the quality is very thin, and if you try to go on top of the lid, it will bend a little bit, but it does not break easily.